Here is the quickest way to attach a button and hook to your beaded choker. It's neat, strong, and lasts for years. Watch till the end and I'll share my secret tip for making it extra secure. You will need your finished choker, matching beads, thread, a beading needle, and your button bead. Here is my trick. After your last knot, pass the thread through a few more threads before cutting. This hides the thread and prevents unraveling. Pass the needle through the bead at the end of your choker, add your button beads, then loop back to secure. Repeat this step 3 to 4 times for strength. And that's it. Your choker now has a secure button and hook. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe, and check out my other beadwork in the playlist above.